414,000 kilometer gamble, our 100 series Toyota LandCruiser. As you can see here, covered in chrome. And my personal belief is that chrome is for children.
I also agree. I don't particularly love the chrome. We'll show you how to do it.
You guys have probably seen products like this online before. This is known as Plasti Dip, a removable automotive paint, just like a vinyl wrap. But unlike a vinyl wrap, it doesn't take years and years of doing it to get really good at it.
Yeah, and I think obviously I'm learning. So if I get a little bubble in it, then we can rip it up and start again. And this one here is the smoke one. So we're going to use this one for the taillights. It's just like literally like the lid, right?
Yeah, that's
Kind
right.
of like the lid.
We've gone all up behind the grille with plastic. We don't want this the Plasti Dip getting into the core of the radiator and blocking it up. We've used wax and grease remover all over the grille to get rid of any of the impurities on there. So now we're gonna murder it out. What we wanna do is do really light coats. And we want to build these coats up as we go.
So good already.
Okay.
Look at that. First coat is done.
Exactly the same principle with the mirror, but again, we're building coats as we go.
So cool. More or?
No, that's really good coverage. Good job. How was that?
I protected it. Yeah, no, it's actually like a lot easier to use than other paint. Like it doesn't feel like you can make as much of a mistake, maybe?
Yeah, he's more forgiving, hey?
Forgiving, yeah.
Yeah.
Does it maybe like once the layers go on and maybe you'll see some errors, but maybe not?
I think because we're building the coats as we go,
Yeah.
and we've done such thin coats, it will look really good.
Yeah, I'm really stoked so far. Like, given it's my first time doing it, I think like, yeah, like this is my little error maybe down here. I think
these little splattery.
I think my finger creeped over the top of it.
Yeah, so they will definitely disappear as we do more layers.
Okay, yeah. It's drying really quickly because the sun is like beaming on it today.
Okay.
Looks so good. Ooh.
Back onto the mirror. Old Mick shake him up, see up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just getting my strong arm ready. Ready?
Let's go back to where you started. So we'll go back to the strip.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, I got excited, didn't I? Do you see how like stylish I am with that?
You are very stylish.
What?
Back door handle first.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Yep.
You happy with that?
Yep. Just check it out my work. All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh, wait, I started here, didn't I?
You started in the middle, yep.
Yeah.
The back of the car, we are going to murder out all the badges. The one that I'm not sure about, and the reason being the previous owners had covered this in Armor All or whatever product to keep it all shiny. I do not know how it's going to react with that, but the cool part about it is if it does react, we just pull it off.
Yeah.
Here we go. Huge improvement.
And it just makes everything look so new again. Such a cost-effective way to make things just look super fresh. We're doing everything on a budget. Yeah, how much is a can of that actually?
At the time that we bought it and where we bought it from, it was $34 a can.
Yeah, and look how much we've done.
Yeah.
Hey, and there's still heaps in that can.
So we won't finish the whole car with one can,
No,
but we'll get pretty close to it. But just because we want to do more and more coats, stay off the paint, just because we're wanting to do a little bit thicker coats,
Yeah.
we will be pretty thorough with it.
Yeah.
And I'll use more than I potentially have to, just to make sure it's got great coverage.
Yeah, for sure. Look how it's drying. But also, new wheels. These were the $200 bargain. Facebook Marketplace. What do you reckon? Leave us a comment. Should we keep them silver or should we black these out as well? We can leave the nuts silver. What are they? Yeah, nuts, yeah.
Yeah, that'll look real fancy.
Yeah, bougie, eh?
No.
We are up to
Third coat.
third coat.
It's amazing how much newer it looks instantly.
Yeah. I don't know if that's going to need another coat, hey?
414 is back in the garage.
Yeah, the wind picked up a little bit too much.
We're going to pull tape off now. The paint's only been on there for about 20-25 minutes.
Yeah.
While it's a little bit malleable, we want to pull the tape up.
You mean the paint can pull up with it?
Yeah. That's right. All right.
All right.
So just...
So you're going to go... Oh, wait, you're going that way? I'm going to go this way. Can I break this plastic?
Yeah, of course.
All right, so as we were saying previously, this creates its own seam. So it should just pull up super easy. And you obviously, when you're pulling up, you don't want all this to fall on it. You want to kind of grab it as you pull it up.
How good does that look?
Heaps better, hey? Look how much you did compared to me. It's not because like I can't do it. I'm just like, you know what I was like with the sound deadening.
Yeah. Particular. Still not 100% dry, but man, from something that took 30 minutes to paint. Tail lights are all smoked out now. Looks so good. So much of, like, massive improvement.
Yeah. This will come off. So this has created its own seam around all of these little bits, including the letters. The hardest part, I think, was just like getting it up. All right.
So there's no prep work that's gone into that. There's no cutting of anything.
Okay. Ready? I feel like this has been a pretty big transformation. Not a huge amount of effort, I don't reckon, hey? It just makes it look so good. Thank you guys for watching. We've got a massive surprise.
We do have a massive surprise.
Can't tell you what that is though.
Yeah, and it's a way bigger surprise than what these indicate.
Thanks so much again for watching, and we will see you guys next week. Peace.
4 and 4 on the clock when we picked it up. 2003 and I'm better up. Dust in the seats, years in the floor, and yeah, it was dirtier than we thought.